Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, recently I received one comment. So any kind of information you're repeating multiple times, or you can tell me three, four times repeating. So guys, I'm repeating these words so many times you will be forgetting the steps. I give the steps one word. The people asking, sir, can you repeat it multiple times, or one time, or a second time repeat. So the repeating is main thing is called to understand purpose. So today I discuss topic about that how we can promote your website using Google site option. What is a Google site? Is a Google site one of the best website will be create for to build the keywords on your particular business purpose. So if I'm selecting for saishankarastrology.com. In this website they're providing for astrology services, every option will be there. In these services, how we can promote it using Google sites option. Google sites same like how we can create Blogger, WordPress, edu blogs, a number of websites are there. Same like we'll creating the keywords to promote your business purpose. Step one. Here the number of themes are there. You can selecting any number of gallery themes. You have number of themes are there. Suppose themes are not interested, go with the plank account. In this plank account, how we can creating website, same will be creating content, but here the supporting for keyword here. They're supporting for which one? They're supporting for your particular option name is called website for all keyword. Here we can advertise for particular one keyword. Suppose if I'm selecting any content here, so I'll open the content. Best astrologer New York. So here I'm selecting keyword. First here I'm selecting for logo in this logo, adding or inactivate anything you wish. Select in this logo will be selected. Logo will be done. Yeah, logo will be done. Next, selected. Logo done. Next, image. Image, here image about title is there. If it is required, add the title or else close it. Here, add your upload the image will be your option. So in this one, what are the image you will be promoting? They can selecting from here. So I'm selected. After that, image size you decide. After that, you can go to text box. What are the content you will be selected here and paste it along with the details. The complete details will be here. If you are shared content from, we can direct from to the Google site your website. Here will be option name is pages. You can create your own page or you can give the link also. Link we can give. Page name will be called contact us. Click for publish. Best astrologer in New York. If you click this option, they can call private. If you not click this option, they can call public. They're visible for every audience. This link we can sharing from Facebook anywhere you will support. Now after this one, open the link. Is a properly mention the link, so that will be hosting the website will be here. So they gave the information like this. No need to worry about this one. So what are the content you will be create here, that all information will be here. So there is a, we can come into this option. So now we can open the link here. So content will be select and click for publish. They will be publish the content and open link will be view will be here. So here just they will creating this option. No need to worry. Now this link will be open. Copy this one, open for incognito window, just select and play this option. This will be best astrologer New York. No need to worry that report. So there's some reading for astrology report will be here. They give the some kind of content. So this will be show to customers. If you click this one, they go to your particular website. This is the purpose of you are promoting for your keywords. Your website backlink will be support from Google Sites option. The Google site will be URL sites.google.com. Select your theme option. Anything will be support from your particular in this website. Follow this condition and promote it. I'll show one step. Select your blank template. In this black template, what are the conditions you can follow? I show you here. So what are the content you're posting? Here is all options are there. Pages, theme selection, insert, insert text box, image, drive, embed code, and button, image call, and table of content. So number of options are there. Sliders, document, map, calendar, YouTube. Number of options are there. First, you can select any kind of keyword before publishing this option. So I'm selecting for spiritual healer in Newark. Automatically selected. Add your logo option. Logo automatically in this, it is the option here. Next, this required you can use or I can delete it. Next, image selection. Spiritual healer in Newark. So where is the spiritual healer? You can select from here and change your image, large banner. Here will be what are the tests you can add. Tests you can add here and click for this content. So every option will be here. So what are the changes you require? Just Control A, Control C. If you give any hyperlink, we can show to the customers for services every page. Just and here we can give this hyperlink. Anywhere you can click the link, the increase the option will be here. So that is the nothing but you can give the backlink for your particular web pages. So we can. So readable content is more powerful to understanding the user also. Is it clear? Next, pages. What are the pages you can design? Here will be link, select link, and our services. Next will be contact. I'll repeat it one more time in this option. Is a page creation, link creation, link. They will mention one option. Open the same tab, open the new tab. I'll show you the open the new tab option. Now click for publish. One more thing, this URL is available is okay. If it's not available, they can't take from the URL will be here. So now click for publish. What are the content you can add? Add the any option. They will be showing anchor test. They will showing for content H1 tag. Anything will be possible. Finally, when you click for publish option here, there will be no changes will be done. Once you publish is done, they will be happening for your particular things. So anything will be open here, view story, and every option will be here. So these all option will be link will be in this copy link will open for the incognito window. So why we selecting incognito window? So they will be selecting only for incognito window. They show to the customer will be here. So this is a content we have to publish in for Google site to increase the keyword research value and website backlinks. Follow this condition, promote a website on Google site option. Thank you. If you don't forget anyone to subscribe my channel is the first time watching the video. Any video required, please comment me. I'll make the video upload the channel.